So welcome back to Miss Paquet's project.
Come on, come here, come a little closer. Don't be afraid, no, I don't wanna hurt you. Little more, come near, let me just show you. Don't know, can't talk, let me just show you.
Since we were last here, we've advanced a little bit on the project. We're close to finishing. So we've done some topsoil here. The carpentry team is currently working on the deck. So they've done some framing. They're working on doing all the custom boards, and the waterproofing is all completed. So it's looking pretty good over here. So here we have some little viburnum plants that are gonna grow in very nicely. They don't look like much right now, but in a couple growing seasons, they're gonna fill in the space completely. So people that are passing by on this little public path in the back here won't have a perfect view on Miss Paquet's pool. She's gonna have the little privacy that she would like. So here we have our custom aluminum planter installed. So the team was able to just bolt it together around the tree. And now we're gonna be having some stepping stones installed within the planter so we could reach our transformer and our electrical as well as our water tap on the house. Here you can see the staircase and the vision coming together. So basically this is our bottom landing here. That's leading to our landing going into the pool area. And it's a nice transitional area. So if you're coming off of the stepping stone path, you could either go this way or continue this way, all part of the design. So right now the team is working on laying the boards for the upper area. All these little spikes that you see out here are the screws that are going to be holding everything down. So nothing will be visible once everything is all installed. So part of waterproofing all of the deck is also enclosing the sides. So we're going to be having a skirting closing the sides that's running horizontal. So it's going to make everything look very nice, very nicely finished. As part of the prep for finalizing everything on the project, the team is putting down topsoil for all of the grass that's going to be installed. And on my right side here, your left, this is a new plant bed for little ornamental grasses that are going to be warming up this side with a little bit of vegetation. So right now the guys are cleaning up the sod area in the front yard. They're cleaning up the gravel that we use as our little machine highway. And then they're going to be putting down new topsoil, and then the sod is going to go in afterwards. Don't forget to like and subscribe.